Astra GSe has an advanced plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a turbo engine with an instantaneous torque electric motor for a combined output of 225 PS. Additional horsepower 45 GP is extracted from the 4-cylinder turbo gasoline 1.6, and the design of the standard 18-inch rims is inspired by the Manta GSe concept. To charge the 12.4 kWh lithium-ion battery, the Astra GSe is equipped with a 3.7 kilowatts converter, and a 7.4 kilowatts converter is available for an additional charge, which charges the batteries in 2 hours. Compared to the classic version, the GSe looks more powerful thanks to a body lower by 10 mm, 18-inch rims, a small roof spoiler, and more generous openings at the front. The key element of the suspension is shock absorbers with double oil flow. They instantly adapt to the conditions brought by the road surface and provide welcome comfort and stability. The compatibility of the electric and gasoline engine is at an enviable level, and part of the credit for the smooth driving goes to the classic automatic transmission with 8 gears. The screen resolution is crystal clear and the graphics are simple. In the Sport program, the gearbox is faster, and for more engaged driving, there are levers for manual gear changes. The seats are comfortable and not excessively profiled. The battery pack, 12.4 kWh, reduced the volume of the trunk to 352 liters, and when the rear backrests are folded down, it increases to 1268 liters. The seats are comfortable and not excessively profiled,